Okay, for everybody who's wondering where we are at with the upholstery on the 54 Customline. Okay, this is where I'm at. So I have a little bit more cleaning work to do on these, and then Corey has to fix part of one of them. Yes, down here. Oops. That little part right there is to fix. Other than that, learn the upholstery trade. Yay! So there's this layer, and then this layer, and then this layer. That's 3 layers so far. And there's this layer, and then there's the outside. Those were the rear doors. The front doors are different. So there's the outside right there. And then we have the one pretty thin papery piece. And then we have the door card only. Maybe we lost some things, but no, it doesn't look like it. Just 2 layers on the front. 4 layers on the back, 2 layers on the front. I'm making patterns. There's my doors. I think that's how I want it. I'll have to see what other people's designs are and see what you guys think. Then make my decision. I was just testing this out. It's actually a pretty good color for like the extra stuff I want to put on the seats, but I was actually thinking about doing this color, but just fading it out, like washing it and fading it out. But I actually also really like this color. It's kind of a bluish, gray blue. I don't know. I don't know what color I should do now. Maybe I will wash half of this, keep half of it not washed, and see which I like better. Yeah, that's what we'll do. All right, so this is how things turned out when I washed it. I still like the crispness of this. I like the feel of the crispness. It's going to be quite nice on the seat instead of this, which feels kind of, I don't know, it just feels worn. Of course it would feel that way, but I don't know, I still kind of like this. I don't know, so similar. Maybe I'll want the contrast. I don't know. Let me know in the comments.